guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm showing you how I maintain my braids, how I moisturize it, and how I stretch it to keep it even longer. So this is actually 5 days after I did my braids. These braids are still looking good. I just need to re-moisturize it. I didn't have to re-moisturize my hair because the grease in my hair kept my hair moisturized throughout the week. If you missed the video on how I did my braids with grease, make sure to go check it out in the iCards. And now I'm going to add all of my hair in a bun and then add oil on my scalp. And then I'm going to do the inversion method. The inversion method is a way to increase blood circulation, and that ensures hair growth. So now I'm going to moisturize my hair. I'm going to do it with the L.O.C method. The L stands for liquid or leave-in. I'm going to add this leave-in and then spray some water on my hair. The O stands for oil. I'm going to use this lightweight oil. This is vitamin E oil, by the way. And then the C stands for cream. I don't have any cream with me, so I'm going to lock in the moisture with some raw African shea butter. So after I'm done moisturizing my hair, I'm going to use the banding method to stretch my hair. The only thing you'll need are some hair ties. Put your hair in a ponytail and then use the hair ties to stretch your hair as much as it can. Then as the last step, I'm going to add my hair scarf and then I'm going to sleep because that's all I do to maintain my braids. Okay, sis? So you guys, these are the steps I do to maintain my hair or to make my braids last even longer. If you made it till the end, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for supporting me, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.